Hello, my name is Caitlin Small, and it's November 10th, 2019. Today I'll be going over the different types of tissues in the body. We are going to start with the epithelial. As you can see, there are multiple kinds. The first one here is the simple squamous. The cells themselves are flat with a nucleus in the center. Their job is to exchange substances. The simple cuboidal is very similar, however it is a cubed cell with the nucleus in the center. These secrete proteins and steroids to the body. The simple columnar epithelial is long and skinny cells with the nucleus at the bottom. These are in charge of transporting molecules and ions across the cell membrane. Here we have the stratified squamous, which is a multi-layer of the flat, simple squamous cells. These protect the skin and mouth from the outside world. The pseudostratified columnar is long and skinny, just like this one. However, it has the lipid droplets within it. Now we're going to move on to the connective tissues. We have a few types of those. The first is the loose connective tissues. As you can see, there are thin fibers that are woven across of each other, known as the elastic and collagen fibers, and throughout are the fibroblast nuclei. These provide support for glands and skin. The dense connective tissue has much thicker fibers put together, as well as the fibroblast nuclei throughout. These provide supports for muscles, tendons, and ligaments. The adipose and supportive tissues you can find next to each other. The adipose tissues are these bubble-like tissues, and the supportive tissue can be found underneath it, layered together with the nuclei throughout. The adipose tissue stores both white fat and brown fat. White fat is the normal fat that we know of as adults. It is meant to store energy. Brown fat is the kind that is found in an infant, as helps to regulate temperature. Supportive tissues, there are two kinds. There's cartilage, which connect the different bones of the body, and then there's bones, which hold up the body themselves. The last kind is fluid connective tissue, or otherwise known as blood. You have blood cells surrounded by plasma. This transports chemical messengers, fluids, waste, and nutrients through the body. Now we have muscle tissues. First we have smooth muscle and smooth muscle. These are layered long strands found with the nuclei throughout, with small pockets of plasma. These are in charge of involuntary body movements. This is a cardiac muscle. You can see is much thicker strands with the nuclei and more plasma pockets. These are in charge of contracting the heart. Then we have the skeletal muscle, which again is the thicker type of strand with the nuclei but less plasma spots. These move the muscles, move the body. And then lastly we have the nervous tissue. These send and receive electrochemical signals throughout the body. As you can see, the cells themselves are quite few throughout. Okay, thank you.